How to make Korean spicy cucumber salad. In a typical Korean cucumber salad, cucumbers are sliced and then quickly marinated in a simple dressing featuring gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, toasted sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and garlic. Ingredients: A. Salad. 24 ounces, 680 g, cucumbers, Persian, Japanese, Korean, or English cucumbers. 1 teaspoon kosher salt. 1 large shallot, thinly sliced. 2 scallions sliced on a bias. 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds, toasted or roasted. B. Dressing. 2 tablespoons gochujang, Korean red chili paste. 1/2 tablespoon gochugaru, Korean red chili flakes. 1½ tablespoons toasted sesame oil. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 2 teaspoons agave nectar or organic cane sugar. 3 garlic cloves, minced or crushed with a press. Instructions: 1. Slice the cucumbers in half vertically. Press the flat side of a heavy knife against the cucumber and press down with the heel of your palm, as if you were smashing down on a garlic clove to release its skin. You should feel the cucumber smashing beneath your knife. Once smashed, tear the cukes into bite-sized chunks or slice them into pieces with a knife. 2. Add the smashed, torn cucumbers to a colander and add the salt. Toss with your hands to distribute evenly. 3. Weigh the cucumbers down with a large bag of ice or a large bag of frozen vegetables. Refrigerate for 30 minutes or up to 4 hours. 4. Make the dressing. Add the gochujang, gochugaru, toasted sesame oil, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sugar or agave, and minced garlic to a small bowl. Whisk until well combined. 5. Assemble the salad. Add the smashed cucumbers to a large bowl and mix in the sliced shallots and scallion whites/light greens. Pour the dressing on top. 6. Use your hands to massage the dressing into the cucumbers for about a minute. Garnish the salad with toasted sesame seeds and scallion greens. Notes: 1. I don't recommend using a pole cucumber as they're less sweet and have a lot of seeds. Persian cucumbers, which are small, are the easiest to smash. 2. For moderate heat, use 1 tablespoon of gochujang. 3. Toasted sesame oil imparts a rich, nutty flavor. I have tried many brands, and Audagy is my favorite toasted sesame oil. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.